Hi, I'm Lisa from Active Domestics, and today I'm going to show you how I quickly and easily do really dirty jobs like cleaning these dirty screens and also cleaning external blinds with my homemade disposable cleaning cloths. This here is a very well used and well worn old cotton sheet, and I'm tearing it up into large cleaning cloth sized portions. This is going to make cleaning really dirty jobs a lot quicker because I can just dispose of the cloth as opposed to rinsing it out. Now you can of course use normal microfiber cloths for this job, but they're going to get possibly quite stained and certainly going to need a good soak afterwards. Now I start by dampening that cloth. I rinsed it out well and then gave it a good squeeze out. In that bucket I do have warm water and Castile soap. Castile soap's quite low sudsing, but as you can see it's still very effective for cleaning. I start by wiping over everything and just getting all the main dirt off. And I go from top to bottom, side to side, and then I do the inside of the blind as well. You really want to clean the blind first before cleaning that window, because the order of this type of job is pretty important. Otherwise you're just going to make the window dirty if you clean the window first. So as you can see, I just throw that dirty cloth out, get a clean one and keep on wiping. I of course wet that cloth and squeezed it out well and then fold it into different segments, so I'm maximizing the use of each cloth segment. I close that door when I'm cleaning the inside of it, just makes it easier to clean. I then started wiping the tracks because of course the tracks aren't just at the bottom, they're on the sides and the top as well. And to do this job you just want to push that cloth in and keep going over it and over it to agitate the dirt and then vacuum it up. It does sometimes take a few times, and you'll want that vacuum cleaner up on high. So then throw out that cloth and give everything a good vacuum all around there, because of course the dirt does jump about and spread on a dirty old job like this one. So I then got out my cloth and started to clean the actual windows once that screen was cleaned. And once again just using that warm water with Castile soap, squeezing out the excess water and then folding the cloth over. I just want to give the glass a good clean, and as you normally do, you sort of start from the cleaner places and work your way to the dirtier places. Of course it's going to be cleaner on the inside than on the outside of the glass. Now I did clean the bottom of the glass, but as you can see not quite thoroughly enough, otherwise my polishing cloth would have stayed completely clean. On both sides I went from top to bottom, wiped it clean first and then polished the glass with that microfiber polishing cloth. And the microfiber polishing cloth just does give everything a nice dry so that it doesn't look streaky. I decided that because I got that job done really quickly, I would keep going and clean these external blinds with my disposable cloths as well, because I just actually got everything done a lot more quickly than what I thought I would. And you can see it's doing a great job of these because they certainly needed a clean. It was quite satisfying to get all this external work done, and you can see it's even more satisfying when you see all that dirt on the cloth and you just get to throw it away and not worry about it. So you can see it's all come up beautifully. I'm really happy with the results, and I hope that inspires you to get some of these dirty old jobs done with this homemade disposable cleaning cloth method. Give one last life to your cloths.